So we're back out in the shop today, and my shop doesn't have any heat to speak of, in part because it's not wired. It does have power out here, but it's running off an extension cord from the house. In the summer, I want to do fun things like ride and not wire the shop, and in the winter, it's just too cold out here to do anything other than necessary. And that's why today I'm going to be installing a diesel heater. Got the heater off Amazon. It's a LF Brothers N2. And I think it was like 2 1/4 or something like that. But I chose this one because it said it had a really quiet, all the reviews talked about a really quiet fuel pump. And I really don't want something going click, click, click all day long. So let's get into it and see what came in the box. All right, give it to me. Accessory box. Exhaust pipe, muffler, power inverter to supply it with 12 volts, converter, cable if you're running off battery, big old air tube, and the instructions. This is our exhaust, remote control. Probably lose that right off the bat. Okay, fill it diesel, hook it to power, turn it on. I'm going to guess we should probably think about getting the exhaust outside first. That's the location I've chosen. A buddy of mine gave me this aluminum box years ago, and I hadn't really found a use for it. And it has no lid, so it's just flipped upside down. But it's going to be perfect for this because it's not flammable, and it'll help me keep from piling stuff right in front of this. Since I can't be on both sides at once, handy little pliers here. Okay, now the fun part. Hey. Since I don't have anything that runs on diesel, I'm gonna have to go get some diesel. See how this goes. I've never used a spout like this before. I don't see it going anywhere. That's a good sign. Okay, fire extinguisher's ready. Okay, turn it all the way up. I'll let it run, check back in an hour, and see how we're doing. Well, I got to run and get a little test here. 29.5. Let it run for an hour, come back and see if there's anything different, Outside temperature is dropping. Sun's gone down. $39. That's an improvement. Let's turn it off. I'm going to come out here tomorrow and let it run for a couple hours before I come out and start working on stuff, see if I had a difference it makes. Came out this morning about 6:30 and fired it up and let it run for 4 hours. And it was on about 4 liters. So in 4 hours, I used about 1.5 liters, roughly, running on high. Did it make it warm in here? Not so much. My nose is still running. But it definitely took the chill out. I can't see my breath anymore, which is a plus. It's currently about 29 outside, and it's almost 40 in here. And it's a 2,400 square foot shop with no and extremely limited insulation. So I think overall I'm really happy with it. It takes about 4 minutes to cool down, takes about 4 minutes to warm up. Carbon monoxide meter showing 0 parts per million. And it's right there on the exhaust side. So all in all, I think it was worth the $200 and some odd. I'll let it cool off a little bit. I'll refuel and do another project out here. Hey, thanks for watching. If you like this, found it helpful, give it a like. Maybe consider subscribing. Wow. Maybe if I get enough people to subscribe, I can get some speech lessons. Thanks for watching.